if you can, Cottontail.
Okay. You've never been on Ellen?
No.
He scared the toots out of me.
No.
So,
Yeah.
it's time for a bath.
What do you think of this question?
Oh. Okay.
Different chapters kissing each other.
What? Sorry. That one didn't even taste good. So I put a heart. Oh, where's Joey?
Oh, I think I ruined my panties with that one.
What?
Damn it. That was a scary one. Much better.
Ow! Hello. Get out of the room.
So,
I know, I get you so good every time. Oh, that was a fun one. I don't know what that is. Oh. Oh, there it is.